Oh, hey there. You guys are gonna love this house. Welcome, welcome, come on in. We are at 6249 South 194th, and you are going to fall in love with this house. We got 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, almost 2,600 square feet, and oh yeah, it's a 4-car garage. The house inside is absolutely perfect. You won't need to do a thing. It's Pottery Barn all thrown up in here. What? What did I just say? It's gorgeous. Guys, so this is a Pinecrest built home, but there's a lot of unique personalized touches in this home. And it's so cute, it actually makes me angry with myself because I just can't compete with this. There's too much cuteness in here. So one of my favorite parts about this floor plan is when you come in from the garage, you know, everybody wants a place where you can set things down, yet at the same time, we want a nice open floor plan. This plan does it all. You're open, you've got the bathroom right when you come in to the right, and then to your left, you've got this awesome locker setup. Plenty of room to store your stuff and your things. As you come in, the kitchen smacks you in the face. It's baller status. We've got stainless appliances, huge center island, and giant eating area. It's all very open and inviting. I'm just gonna let you check it out. What she said. So one of the custom features in this home that you won't find in any other home, they've added these beautiful custom cabinets on both sides of the fireplace, as well as these 2x2 windows, which add a ton of great natural light. Okay, so here we are upstairs. We've got 4 bedrooms, beautiful master bath, another great bathroom for the kids. Laundry room is upstairs, plus a bonus, which I'll show you in a minute. So when I come home after a hard day's work, sometimes I just want to go in the fridge right there in my living room, grab a nice cold pop, and just relax. You can do that right here, baby. Don't you dare take over my territory. Who's this?
I call it a long neck or brachiosaurus.
Oh, are you a brachiosaurus? Hey, brontosaurus.
Wait, I don't know what this is either.
Stegosaurus?
No, those are the plates on them. Here's a stegosaurus.
What are you doing in my territory?
Sorry, Rex. I didn't mean it. I took a wrong turn.
I don't care. It's time for you to leave. I'm gonna eat you. I got put in timeout. So we're here in the garage, and I'm sure you're thinking, what in the world is he doing shooting part of the video in the garage? Well, I'll tell you what we're doing. This garage is so much more than just a typical 3-car garage. The 3rd car? Well, why don't we just show you? That's right, it's a 4-car. It goes back tandem. Check out all the cool things. Come on, follow me. I'm gonna steal this system, but it's called a French cleat, and it's actually, I'll get to it. So he's got this wood, these pieces of wood along the wall, and you can move the cleat back and forth, thereby storing whatever you need, however you need it, however it fits best. Genius.